Hi, I'm David, and I'm part of the Carolina Footwear Design and Development team. I'm here to talk to you today about the External MetGuard series. Get all-day protection from the tops of your feet to the tips of your toes with these industrial-strength MetGuard boots, brought to you by Carolina. These MetGuard boots are offered with a Vibram, oil and heat-resisting outsole to take the abuse that industrial environments can dish out. They're built with a heavy-duty plastic, dense foam-lined external MetGuard and steel safety toe cap for solid foot protection. All external MetGuard styles meet ASTM standards for electrical hazard and impact and compression. Built on a Goodyear welt construction, these styles have a tough steel shank for added extra stability and support. They're available in a variety of brown leather options in 6-inch and 8-inch heights with a padded collar for extra comfort. In addition, the pillow cushion insole found in these boots provides the comfort you need to do your best day after day. Available in our 100% waterproof scuba liner membrane and non-waterproof constructions. Each style comes with a leather lace for added flame resistance and durability. Some styles are proudly built in Martinsburg, Pennsylvania. Unmatched, all-around comfort and safety, these boots are built to withstand a rugged industrial workplace. That's the Carolina way, built for work.